You've seen that little blue tub in every bathroom cabinet, right? Most people think Vaseline is just for dry lifts, but honestly, this tiny jar can make you look more attractive than products that cost $100. Today, I'm dropping 5 secret Vaseline hacks that are going to change your grooming game forever. We're talking a natural glow from within, perfectly shaped hunter eyes, and an overall aesthetic vibe, all without spending a dime. If you want to look sharp, fresh, and expensive on a budget, don't skip a single one of these. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe. We're on a mission to hit 100K, and you don't want to miss the glow up. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, the natural highlight, model skin. Ever notice how some guys just look radiant on camera or in person? It's not makeup or a fancy highlighter, it's the rice grain hack. The move: take a tiny amount of Vaseline, no bigger than a grain of rice. The technique: dab it lightly onto your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. The result? Vaseline reflects light perfectly. It gives you that dewy, hydrated look that makes your skin look super healthy and high-end. It's not oily, it's just clean. Hack number 2, hunter eyes and defined brows. A masculine face is all about definition. Messy, sparse eyebrows can make your face look soft. To get that sharp hunter eye look, you need groomed brows. The move? Rub a bit of Vaseline on your fingertips. The technique: brush your brow hairs upward and outward. You can even use a tiny bit on your beard to keep stray hairs in place. The result? Unlike hair gel, Vaseline doesn't get crunchy. It provides a soft hold that makes your brows look thicker, darker, and perfectly polished. Instant facelift. Hack number 3, the under-eye eraser. Late-night gaming, studying, or just plain stress usually shows up under your eyes first. Dark circles and fine lines make you look tired and old. The move? Before bed, use your ring finger. It has the lightest touch to apply a thin layer of Vaseline under your eyes. The logic? Now, Vaseline doesn't cure dark circles, but it creates a moisture seal. By locking in hydration, it plumps the skin and softens fine lines, making you wake up looking refreshed and well-rested. Hack number 4, the 24-hour scent. DIY solid perfume. The biggest tragedy: spending $100 on a cologne only for the scent to disappear in 2 hours. Here is how you make it last all day. The pro tip: apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind the ears before you spray your cologne. The science? Dry skin eats fragrance. Vaseline acts as a primer that traps the scent molecules and releases them slowly over time. Bonus hack: melt a small tub of Vaseline in warm water, spray 10 to 15 pumps of your favorite cologne into it, mix it, and let it solidify in the fridge. Boom! You've got a portable solid perfume that lasts 3 times longer. Hack number 5, the post-shave savior. If you deal with razor bumps, redness, or that annoying burn after shaving, your skin's protective barrier is compromised. The move? Immediately after shaving, apply a very thin layer of Vaseline to the irritated area. The result? It acts as a soothing barrier. It kills the itch, reduces redness, and speeds up the healing process. It's the simplest post-shave balm you'll ever use. Conclusion: there you have it. 5 ways a $5 jar of Vaseline can literally upgrade your entire look. Which one of these are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you want to match that sharp face with an aesthetic physique, I've got a full breakdown on that right here. Click this video on the screen to start your body transformation. See you there.